Atmanirbhar Bharat is the vision of the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, of making India a self-reliant nation. It is first mentioned during the announcement of the coronavirus pandemic-related economic package, 20 lakh crore rupees, on the 12th of May 2020. Finance Minister clarified, self-reliant India does not mean cutting off from rest of the world. As part of the Atmanirbhar Bharat package, numerous government decisions have taken place, such as changing the definition of MSMEs, boosting scope for private participation, increasing FDI in the defense sector. The growth of India's personal protective equipment sector from zero before March to 1.5 lakh pieces a day by the beginning of May is considered as a fine example of a self-reliant India. The PPE industry in India has become a 7,000 crore rupees in just 2 months, the second largest after China. India's own Made in India 5G network was also announced in July 2020 by Reliance Jio. Mukesh Ambani announced in mid-July that Jio has created a complete 5G solution from scratch that will enable us to launch a world-class 5G service in India, using 100% homegrown technologies and solutions. For the first time, in July 2020, it was announced that Apple would manufacture one of their premium iPhone models in India. In August 2020, the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh announced that the Defence Ministry is now ready for a big push to Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative by imposing an import embargo on 101 items in a staged manner over a period of 5 years. India will eventually reduce the import of 101 defense items. It is very useful for local manufacturers. We will hope that Atmanirbhar Bharat scheme will get more support and success.
If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, King Gamer, and share this video to your friends. What do you think about this scheme? Is it useful to India? Comment your opinion.